Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and I'm out in my coleus and caladium garden. I hope you enjoy. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. My caladiums are getting really big now. I might be too far in the year to see them bloom, though. But I'll still hope and see. And the polka dot plants are doing really good. The white and pink and red and white seem to be doing good, all of them. And I noticed over here that for rosemary's blooming, and it never really seen it bloom before, so that's really cool. And then over here is the dill. It's getting really big. And butterflies like to lay their eggs on it, and the butterfly bushes are still doing really good. Out here, so yeah, that's the butterfly bush in my coleus are over here, doing really good too. With the different colors. Here's a little meadow saying hi. I love you all out there. God bless, and Jesus loves you all.